hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2024 Hyundai Kona. Comes in the SE, the SEL, the N line, and the Limited. I had the Limited all-wheel drive. This is considered a small SUV. I would consider it an extra small SUV. 5 passengers, including the driver. All new second generation Kona, this particular model. Now, it has been restyled. Polarizing styling with big black plastic wheel openings. Now, on certain trim levels, like the inline, those big plastic wheel opening moldings, if you want to call them, that's more than that. It's body panels. They're painted, which kind of tones it all down a little bit, and that would be my style. I just am not a big fan of unpainted black plastic. Front light mounting is outboard, and it is in those moldings that I just told you about. It does have a different grille and lighting on the front of the hood. It's got this line across it, and people said, oh, that must be some sort of an electric vehicle. No, it's not. The lighting is in the hood. Now, I will tell you this, that they do have an EV model. We're not talking about that. This is a gasoline model engine. The rear has bulbous fenders, where also the lighting is placed in those fenders. What I liked about it, the different design stands out in a crowd. If that's what you're in for, hey, I got it, you get it, you're there. What could use improvement? Odd placement of lighting takes some getting used to. This is not a car that I think is an everyday person car. You have to really like this thing. On the inside, driver instruments and infotainment screen combine for an attractive dash. The N-line trim adds some attractive red accents throughout the cabin. Large open catch-all in the center console is handy. Seating is comfortable. Cargo trunk room, being a small vehicle, back there in the back is very small. What I liked about it, the overall layout in the interior is good with cubbies everywhere. What could use improvement? I don't know. At this price point, and you'll hear that in just a second, I think that it kind of fits in the price point if you want to stand out in the crowd again. Mine had the optional 1.6-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine that has 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. If you're going to get one of these things, that's what I would suggest. Anything under 200, it's kind of pushing the limit no matter what the size. Transmission is an 8-speed automatic. Gets 24 miles per gallon city, 29 on the highway for a combined of 26. I got 28.9 miles per gallon over 472 miles. What I liked about it, I think that the engine is perfectly matched to the car. This is not a hot rod by any stretch of the imagination. What could use improvement? They do offer an EV version, as I mentioned, so you might want to look at that if you're into weird-looking EVs. Ride and handling, nicer than you would expect with such a short wheelbase. This is not a track car, but a commuter small kid hauler. Base trim price, $33,150. Price is tested, $34,695. But you can get in one of these. The base model price is $24,250. Competitors, the Buick Encore GX for $25,600. The Chevy Trax for $20,400, which is my choice among these four. And the Mazda CX-30 for $24,995. Go check all of those out. Then go look at the Hyundai Kona for 2024, and you tell me what you think. And you can do that by emailing me at don@nwheeltime.com. And that's my review of the 2024 Hyundai Kona.
Nice.